have been drawing on the walls for approximately 73,000 years, with some of the earliest evidence found in the form of cross-hatched patterns on stone flakes in Bloopers Cave, South Africa. Almost all of you have seen this. And then this. So why do I have walls like this? No offense, but it's a little bit boring. Now, if you rent, no question asked. I rented almost half of my life, and it's really limiting when the place is technically yours, but not quite. A big hug for all my renting friends. But homeowners, landlords, landladies, and everyone in between. Why? No creative spark? Fair enough. Copy and paste. No painting skills either? Well, now we have pretty decent mural wallpapers. And yet people will happily make their children's rooms magical and yet leave their own blank. You still have your inner child. What does it want? When was last time you won a swing? Right, that's enough of that. Anyway, I didn't leave this wall white, hoping that it will make my room brighter or Mother Nature forbid as a white accent wall. No. This wall is waiting for a mural. I think last time that I drew on the wall, I was 3, 4, and after that it was strictly forbidden. Despite all the art history we just discussed right now, apparently parents are not aligned with it. Let's plan. I grew up with the mountains outside of my window. For many people they were nothing special, quite old, without these dramatic snowy peaks, but I saw them every day. I miss them. I miss mountains in general, to be honest. England is famous for its cliffs, but in general, politely speaking, it's quite flat. Snowdon is a delight though. I gathered a few references, but I do think it's best to start small. Follow me. I really like this photo my brother took near our homes. I was messing with it to make a wallpaper for my laptop. I think I will focus on this one. First, proportions. If the wall is roughly this size, I can use the same numbers in pixels and create a grid to guide me later. Nothing too precise, just enough to orient myself. Since the bed is on the right, I'd like the mountain to rise above the headboard and then gently descend. And to make my life easier, mist. A lot of mist. That's encouraging. I've been waiting for this moment for quite a while, and I'm done waiting. Did you think the fun part starts now? No. First is preparation. Sophie looks like a Lady Pinhead right now, in torso.
Pain.
I'm using leftover paint from my house renovation. There is, however, one issue. The paint from my bedroom is almost gone. I waited all this time and didn't check properly. Excellent. Worry not, I ordered some more. But for now, I will have to work with what I have. Luckily, distant fog and mountains are cool and tone, so I think I can get away with it anyway. Let's revive this paint. If you thought this is where fun begins, you're mistaken. The sun goes down as my inner battery, so I think I will finish it right now. But I'm quite chuffed with what I have, so let's hope that tomorrow I will finish it all. Maybe, maybe not, but let's hope. And now the fun begins. And as promised, I finished the apron with pockets and sewed down the skirt a little bit better. So I'm all prepared. Are you prepared? Yeah, that's it. This is called Dove Wing and it's very gentle off-white and I really like it. A little bit greyish, a little bit warm. Ugh. This one is in the garden, also Benjamin Moore, and I used it for the sitting room. Now we need just a little bit. Now I think I will make an outline first, like this foggy outline, and then I will build up the color. When I need to do something that I'm not entirely confident in, I get anxious. It just doesn't look like that. It just hides on the appearance of calm and confidence. Kind of like fake it until you make it, but it's not a strategy, it's a defense mechanism. For example, I started to drive again, and long story short, I've been in a car accident with a taxi, and I had to make myself to sit in the car. When I began relearning, I had this feeling that I'm acting like a driver. I'm portraying the driver. The good driver checks the mirrors, checks the surroundings, sees everything, hears everything. But then slowly, this feeling just started to disappear. And now it's me. Now it's just me driving, carefully. And with that the same, I might appear that I know what I'm doing, but I'm not really. And what do you do, unconsciously, unconsciously, when you have to do something new that you've never done before?
To boldly go where no man has gone before.
I'm going to stop right now because I have a doctor appointment today and I completely forgot about it, so I need to get ready. Also, I'm going to drive there. I just painted with the same color at the bottom of the wall just because there are some see-throughs and they're really annoying. Okay. When I was just starting drawing as a kid, I would draw late at night before going to the bed, and then after night, in the morning, I will erase erratically everything and draw it again. And I really hope that's not the case, because this part I already done like this. I do the evening and then I didn't like it. I can't say that I invented method how to deal with it, but this is dry brushing and really helps with fog. Since this is wall paint, it's a little bit thicker and not that easy. It's more on the acrylic side, I think, than oil. With oil, it'll be much easier, I think. The main problem when you're dealing with wall paint is that it's really light until it's wet, and then when it's dry, it becomes darker. So you have to kind of guess will it be darker, will it be lighter. But I think I've done a good job with it, I hope. Anyway, I'm going to finish soon, and I thought it will take me like 2 days. This is like fifth? This is the 5th day. And all because of that, unfortunately. And another tip for you is to step away constantly, because when you close up, you think something is not right, and you're stepping away, looking in the big picture, and like, yeah, it's not that bad. But at the same time, you up close and you thinking, yeah, looks good, stepping away, and oh my god. Even though I try to be careful, I still have marks on the wall So what I'm going to do is to sand them a little bit and then touch it up with fine brook paint, original paint. I'm sorry for putting the bed back, but my anxiety levels rose when it wasn't in its place, and I had no access to the floor and limited to the wardrobe. But here she is! And now room feels cozier than ever. At first I thought that I need to add more warm tones to match the walls and to make mountains a bit higher, but when I saw the final result, I was completely chuffed with it as it is. And it's not difficult to do, and I know it's easy for me to say having an art background, but I truly think anyone can do that. Just let paint dry, step away often, use different brushes to avoid repetitive marks, and allow mistakes to happen. There is always an option to paint over it. Cheers! Even though no creative spark, 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 no creative. Oh my god. Snow, meh. Ta-da! As a friend, as I want you. No.